Hello, I'm Eric Zhang from CMX Audio. Now we are introducing our bestseller voice evacuation ceiling loudspeakers, which meets the European EN 54 standards. We are a very wide range of loudspeaker choices manufacturer in China. We had a full range of commercial audio, voice evacuation system, IP audio systems for all of the installation sound systems. So we have a very strict quality control on the loudspeaker ranges. So we manufacture from the speaker driver unit, cabinet, and to the speaker manufacturing. So we are a serious OEM ODM factory to offer a full range of audio solution from signal process, amplifier control, and to the loudspeakers. Okay, that's all. If you need more information, you can visit our website cmxaudio.com. Welcome to visit us in China. Okay, thank you so much.